the ingredients that will go into our chicken rice, fried chicken rice with cashew nuts is these carrots, bell peppers. These green bell pepper will have the carrots, and if you notice, all of them are chopped big, chunky ones. And then this chicken that I've steamed. Then we have this bowl of cashew nuts and our boiled rice, which is right here. So for the spices that will go into our chicken, we have the black pepper, then we have cayenne, paprika, we have soy sauce, we have, of course, oil to fry, and salt to taste.